Question 9. The pie chart shows the number of pens, erasers, rulers, and notebooks sold by a shop. The same information is shown in the bar graph, but the names of the items are not shown on the bar graph. How many more pens than erasers are sold? This is a statistics question. We see from the pie charts that pens and erasers made up half of the total, and notebooks and rulers made up the other half. By comparing the erasers and rulers in the pie chart, we notice that there are more rulers than erasers. So, we know that there are the most number of pens, followed by notebooks, then rulers, and there are the least number of erasers. We can label the bar graph first accordingly. Now, we know the actual amount of items. There are 80 pens, 70 notebooks, 40 rulers, and 30 erasers. To answer this question, they ask for the amount of pens sold more than erasers. So, 80 minus 30 gives us 50. Our answer is option 4.